Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to understand how to create a free Fabric trial account. So for that, the prerequisite is you need to have a company ID. So if you have any company ID, that is enough for you to create a free Fabric account. So for that, you need to open app.fabric.microsoft.com. So once you open this link, you can see it is asking you to enter an email. So I will be entering my analytics discovery hub. So this is one of my analytics community where I have an ID. So it can be your company ID. This can be your company name.com. So let me just get a free trial account for this ID. So click on submit. It will check if you already have it. If not, it will ask you to sign up. So since I don't have it, it is helping me to sign up. It says looks like you need to create a new account. What kind of email is this? I got it from my organization. It's the next. And okay, so it's asking me to create your account. Text or phone call helps you. Okay, I'll just quickly create something from India. Just go to the 9 one. Let me find India. I think here we are. Let me quickly enter my number. It says send me a text verification so that I can check my number and see if a text notification is coming. And then verify. Once it is verified, you can move to the next step. So let me enter my details. So see Potnak, India. Select this phone number. I don't think it's mandatory. Let me enter my password. Enter. Okay, we have sent a verification code to Dosh. So let me enter this verification code. Let me check my email. Okay, got verification code account as well. So let me sign that. Okay. So I would say I understand that Microsoft may contact me about my trial. Okay, I would like implementation tips of us. Choose next. Okay, it's asking the business phone number. Let me enter. Click on next. All right. So thanks for signing up for Microsoft Fabric account. I think I got. Let me click on get started. So congratulations. So you have successfully created your free Fabric account. So let me just check if it is working. Yeah, as you can see, we have the free account created. But before we go on, so right now what we have is a free account. So as you can see, since we have just signed up for this basic trial, but still there's one more step that we need to perform. So this is what we have to do. You need to click on this start trial. So right now you can see a free account, and I don't see any Fabric workloads here. I don't see any Fabric workloads here, right? I cannot see anything else. So once you click on this my profile and click on this start trial, so that will ask you to to use Fabric enhanced capability, sign up for a trial. We'll assign you a free trial capacity for a limited time, and you can create and work with a new item types available in the preview. So by selecting start trial, you agree to the terms. So I'll just click on start trial and successfully upgraded to Microsoft Fabric. Now congratulations. So this is the message that you have to see. So we prepared a free Fabric trial capacity for you. So a dedicated capacity is created for you for free, and you can start creating different Fabric items and click on Fabric homepage. So this is how it looks. Let's wait for that. Yeah, congratulations. So these are these all 7 different experiences that Fabric is going to offer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel for more information on Fabric, and I'm planning to create some more lab related videos where we can perform some hands-on labs. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. See you.